Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, I'm using Perfusion Sienna palette and it is so gorgeous. So to start this eyeshadow look, I'm taking that burnt orange shade and I'm popping that right into my crease. Now I do want my orange to pop, so I'm taking that lighter orange shade and I'm placing that right on top of it and blending that out. So to add more depth and definition, I'm taking that brick red shade and I'm placing that right into my crease. Now for this next shade, I'm using this to break up the contrast from the brick red and the orange and just diffusing it so it can be a lot more blended. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using my all-time favorite, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. And as you can see, I'm following my natural crease line and I'm just going slightly above it. That way it doesn't ruin my eyeshadow. Learning to do a cut crease does get complicated at times, but if you just take your time, it will become easier and easier as you do it. So I let that dry and I'm putting Polite on the inner corner of the crease and I'm just packing that on. And then I just take this yellow shade and I'm putting that right beside the nude shade that I put on. And now for the outer edge, I'm taking that light orange shade and I'm using a blending brush and I'm blending out that harsh edge with that product. I did want to deepen up the outer corner, so I'm just taking that brick brown shade and I'm putting that on the outer corner of my eye. So for eyeliner, I'm using this liquid liner that I got sent to me from Classic Beauty. I did go ahead and do my other eye off camera as well. For lashes, I'm using Pure Cosmetics Pro Eyelashes in the style Socialite. I did go ahead and put these on off camera. So for my brow highlight, I'm using that Champagne Gold shade and I'm placing that right on my brow bone. Moving on to my face, I'm using Becca's Velvetizing Blurring Primer to prep for my base. So for foundation today, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend in the shade T80. And I'm just blending that out with my IT Cosmetics foundation brush. I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, I found you. So for concealer today, I'm using the All Nighter concealer in shade Medium Dark Warm. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend out my concealer. For my contour, I've been using Anastasia's bronzer in the shade Mahogany, and I'm just putting that right into the hollow of my cheek and blending that out.
Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, I found you. Girl, I like being around you. Feel like I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down.
Now I'm taking my Dermablend setting powder and I'm using this to set my concealer. So going back to the eyes, I am prepping my waterline with concealer for the shadow.
I'm so glad that I found you. Girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, I found you.
And for my waterline, I'm using that brick red shade.
Bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I did decide I wanted to brighten it up a bit, so I'm taking that pinky red and I'm putting that right on top of that same color. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking Coin and I'm placing that right on the inner corner of my eye. And for my face highlight, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. And I do like to spray my brush after I've applied the product just to make it a little bit more wet, and it intensifies the highlighter 10 times more. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips, and that will be the finished look. I do hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be caught up to all the videos I upload. I do thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!